It was the winter of 1818 in the quiet village of Oberndorf, Austria, where Christmas was coming. But something was missing. Mice had chewed through the church organ's bellows, leaving the village without music for Christmas Mass. But one boy, young Marcus, believed Christmas could still be saved. He had a heart full of music and a daring idea. With a loaf of bread and a dream, Marcus set off on a journey to find someone who could help them sing again. Along the way, Marcus met strangers who shared songs by firelight, reminding him that music lived in every heart. In a bustling town, Marcus found Herr Gruber, a gentle teacher with a guitar and a gift for composing. Together, they composed a simple, beautiful tune, a lullaby of peace and light. On Christmas Eve, Marcus returned home. The village waited, hushed and hopeful.
The sound of silent night.
That night, with no organ, but only a guitar, the first notes of Silent Night filled the church. Soft, sweet, unforgettable. The song would travel far beyond their little village, but for Marcus, it had already brought home the music and the true spirit of Christmas.
If you did, don't stop the fun here. Tell your parents to visit our website, www.toonvideos4kids.com, for even more exciting videos, cool adventures, and loads of laughs. And don't forget, subscribe so you never miss the latest and greatest fun waiting just for you.